Okay, we're hitting the Auburn Connector, and I refer to the upper Auburn Connector because it's up near Dryer Mountain Bike Park. So I thought it was important to get this in the videos because you could take this down to the Auburn Trail, loop around and come back, or just take it down the Auburn Trail Network and have fun down there. So this kind of goes in between, starts off at Cork Road, or actually Dryer Road, I'm sorry, and then it goes down to Carrington Way, and we just had a downhill, and most of this way it's downhill. There's a couple little hills in it, but just kind of flowy like this one right here, and then you're back down again, and it kind of goes through these woods for a couple minutes, and here we are. And we'll be coming up on it in about a minute. There's a farmer's field off to the right that we ride alongside of. You can see it's nothing all that technical, really no rocks or roots or anything, at least worth talking about. A little branch in the way there. So coming up here is about the only routes we're going to have. Now we're going back downhill next to the farmer's field. Little bench right there if you want to sit and take a break. That was nice they put that in there a few years ago. And here in a second we'll be kind of coming up on an easement where people are nice enough to let us ride alongside their, in this case, their backyard. So, you know, just be courteous and respectful to their property, noise, anything of that nature, so we can keep riding through here. And then right here, staying between the blue stakes. So we're going alongside this guy's property here, and he's nice enough to let us ride through it. So once again, courteous, respectful, and here we are coming up on the end of it. And then you can take it right here and then continue down to Auburn Trail.